for today. So we ended up with a shooting star, red bar, alpha level, which has been the 150 EMA. And if I run to the left here, not quite off this level here that we're looking for, which is 11,625. Nothing further to the left that I'm really interested in. So that's the one scenario there. And then the other one is this kind of setup. Okay, so we are in a range or a channel, should I say. Oscillators are grouping to the upside. This is looking rather ominous at the moment. So I would be looking for opportunities for a trend change normally. And I think, looking at the DAX, this is what's transpiring. You can see pretty much very difficult grind to the upside. And we are getting at the level which I would expect some kind of a pullback. Trend is up. I'm not really interested in chasing longs at this level right now, but I'm also not really interested in jumping in short just yet. So that little picture there from yesterday is a rather sort of, let's just call it a very interesting scenario, because that is a clear range. Okay, clear range, clear double top. So one of two things going to happen. We've had a strong move up. This is consolidation, break, retest, move up, or consolidation, break, retest, down. Okay, so what I'm looking for is I'm really looking for some kind of a retest of this area here of 11,247. Okay, that would interest me in getting long. At this stage, it is pretty much all over the place. I'm not really interested in getting in on this right now. And if we get into the hour, you'll see very clearly no direction and then a sell-off in the close. Okay, so I would prefer to see a pullback. Now, if this level doesn't hold, so if 11,247 does not hold, and we flip it and we come back and test it and turn that into resistance, that would interest me in shorts. Okay, for now, I'm pretty neutral until we get a pullback onto structure, and that structure helps me set up a trade to the upside. Okay, but yeah, everything is looking a little bit tired. If you look at most of the time frames, oscillators are in overbought territory, including the daily. And I'm not sure we have anything on the weekly. Nothing really to look at in the weekly, except for this resistance to the left that we are sort of smack bang in at the moment. Okay, so yeah, so I don't think, for me anyway, there's not much opportunities here. I think there's more opportunities on the forex market right now than there is on indexes. So we'll keep an eye on them, make sure we're in tune with what's happening with the market. But this little up and down, up and down, up and down in a range is not something that I like trading. Don't trade it. I'm not good at it. I lose way too much money when I'm trading this kind of stuff. I much prefer a trend, and that's just my trading style. Anyway, so I would be looking to see what transpires at 11247 with the view of going long. Okay, so my bias is long, obviously, but I want to see a deeper pullback. Not interested in going long here. Also not interested in going short here. This trend is up. Okay, I mean, I'm on a 30-minute at the moment. This is a very strong trend to the upside, and the hour is even stronger. So now we break through here and retest. I'll start, considering my options there. But at this stage, we are creating higher highs and higher lows. And as long as that's happening, this is moving to the upside. We need to be long. Okay, so yeah, so I think just gonna pop down to 15-minute just to see. There is some structure here as well. You can see all those tails. So I suppose that's the zone that we want to wait. So I'll just make sure I can't delete those. So 11294 and 11247. Those are the two areas that I'm looking for an opportunity to get long again. Break through that, come back and retest. Then I may start looking at shorts, but A little bit hesitant, as you can hear my voice. I'm not really interested in shorting when we have a strong trend like this on sort of the 4 hour. And I mean, the daily is also a fairly strong trend, but I'm not really interested in the daily right now. I'm interested in the 3 hour and the 1 hour charts. 3 hour, 1 hour, and half hour charts, what I'm paying attention to, and that is a strong trend. Okay, anyway, guys, that's my view. Waiting for a pullback, then waiting for structure, any kind of price action indicating longs. That's my area for longs, and my target is going to be 11629. So it'll first be the previous highs and then 11629 will be my next target. Okay, hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.